Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? Happy Mother's Day to you all. From the Jamaican cooking journey, we want to say blessed. Hope you're having a prosperous, just a real easygoing Mother's Day. I hope you all be pampered by your family and all of that. Mothers, this is the man-made day for mothers. That's just my take. Mother's Day, it's just a man-made thing. But once you become a mother, it's always Mother's Day for us. What have you got to say about that? Say it in the comment section. And for me, I always try to put mothers, we as mothers, we are in, should I say category for me, but I say yes, because look here, we are all mothers, but we are in a little different, columns and stuff. We have the mothers that once we became mothers, we got the support, friends, family, and from dad, from the person who made you a mother. We have got the mothers that from they become pregnant, they have never gotten the support from the person who made them become pregnant. Now, I should not say category, but probably not. But mothers, you have got to put yourself different like that. Because those who got the support, they are feeling different. Those who never got the support, it's different. The journey is different. Yet we are all mothers. We went through that pregnancy journey. We went through that delivery. We are all mothers. But the difference with the life of being a mom, there's so many one difference for each mom. We have got the moms that they have never had the experience of that 9-month pregnancy. They have never had the experience of the delivery. They have never, and they will not. Yet, they do such a beautiful job. Sometimes even better than the mothers who gone through the 9 months and the delivery. They took kids and they reared kids, and I call those a different type of moms. We have our grandmoms, we have our great-grandmoms, we have aunties. So it's just all mothers. We have the mothers that know she alone had to do all, she had to make all the sacrifices and all of that. And also, we have the mothers that they need to step their games up a little bit. Okay? So we have got to support those mothers and all of that. Now, there are some moms also that they're here, and today they're a mother, but last year this time they are a mom that cannot change. They're a mom. I don't have my mom around. So we have moms here, they're mothers, but their moms are not here. But their moms, they have just like recently lost their moms. So this Mother's Day, it's gonna be a little bit harder. So we have just got to send a support out to, I personally want to send a supporting word, a comforting word out to those people. I'm sorry, this Mother's Day will be a bit different for them. They're on a grieving process. They're on the grieving path. So overall, we're all mothers, but we are in different lanes, so to speak. Let me remove the word category and say lanes. We're driving in different, or we are moving forward in different lanes. But overall, it's a Mother's Day. So I want us all to be, just relax. I don't know if I cook no food, You are not supposed to be cooking today. Okay, y'all? And anybody, make them mother cook today. You know what is going to happen? I won't tell you. You're not to let your mom cook today. Okay? It's a special day. Every day is a special day for moms. But since this is a day that we celebrate, let us all make it a happy one. Let us all make it a peaceful and a blessed one. And we as moms, we have got to start it first. Start pamper ourselves first. It doesn't matter who come around to pamper and all of that. Pamper ourselves, be loved, feel blessed. It's a beautiful feeling to be a mom. It's a blessed feeling to be a mom. Once you become a mom, your life has changed. So I want to say once more, from the Jamaican cooking journey on behalf of myself, camera girl, camera son, and camera daughter-in-law, also camera dad, we want to say from our Jamaican home to wherever you are, just have a peaceful, a blessed Mother's Day. Thank you so much for your love on the Jamaican cooking journey. Thank you so very much. All those who are making dishes for Mother's Day, I've given you so much. You've got to pamper mom. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day, you all, my family. Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.